Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the start-stop automatic modus on your BMW Mini Cooper. As you can see, and we are staying at the traffic light and our engine is off because of the start-stop automatic. The automatic button is over there in front of your gear lever. You can switch it on or off, this option. So there it is. We have to shut off now the engine and press the clutch pedal, and you can see the engine is restarting immediately. Now let's go on the track again and let's drive a little bit until the next traffic light, because this option is available if your air condition is in the right level, your battery voltage is in the right level, then this setting is working easily. So next example, there's a traffic light. Now let's push the brake, push the clutch and stop the vehicle, then shift to gear neutral and then release the clutch. And as you can see, the engine is off. This is nice. Start-stop automatic is working well. If you like to switch off this option, you only have to push the start-stop automatically button, and then the button is on and the start-stop automatic is off. But now let's get it on. If we are starting the engine, only push the clutch down, and as you can see, 1000 turns. Now the engine is restarted easily. And this is a nice and easy thing to save food. And I promise you, you will love it. Okay, let's try to do this immediately at the track, because it's a nice option on your Mini Cooper. So that it is. Again, start, stop, automatic, push the clutch, shift to gear neutral, then release the clutch, and if your battery is in a good condition, the engine will shut off automatically. And here you can see it is not shutting off because the engine or the air condition is not on the right level. So that it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon for new awesome videos.